everyone, Sheree here. Today I'm going to be creating a layout using this gorgeous Henley kit from Felicity Jane. This is the March 2018 kit. Again, it's beautiful. It's so full of really pretty colours, the aquas, pinks, black and white, and gorgeous floral. These are really just beautiful papers. I do already have a design in mind, so what I've done is cut out a few different circles using a variety of papers from the kit. I've also cut my photo into a circle as well, and I've just used circle punches and dies to get those different sizes. I've also got a selection of the washi stickers because there was a few circular stickers in this little collection. So I've got a little gold spotty circle there, another one that says I love this, and and this little speech bubble as well with a heart in it. I was able to just pop them straight out with the backing still on them, so that'll just help them stay a little bit more solid until I get to use them, which is quite handy. So I've got those. I'm also going to use the gorgeous gold foil puffy alphabet that came in this kit. I absolutely love this one, and I've already gone ahead and selected the letters for Maddie's name and just stuck it onto some baking paper until I'm ready to use it. I have also got this happy word, which was from last month's Alexis kit with these puffy stickers. I'm slowly working my way through them. I'm going to be really sad when I've run out of these because I love them. So that's forming part of my title as well. I've also got my journaling strips already printed out using my computer. I've got the beautiful embellishments here to use too. I'll probably use this gorgeous floral at least. And I've got the beautiful gold sequins. These are so pretty with a little textured edge on them. I'll see if I can give you a closer look at that. They're just gorgeous. A couple of different sizes as well. So I'll be using those for sure on this page. Okay, I'll get started and I'll get into creating this page. Alright, so to start off with, I've got that beautiful stripy pattern paper as my background border. And I've got my white cardstock cut down to 11 by 11 inches, and I've just stuck that down onto the center as best I could. And now I can play with the positioning of all those pretty circles. So I've got my 3 main circles there, plus the photo. I've got that beautiful floral die cut and a couple of other circular elements. Now that one there is a washi sticker, and the heart is a die cut from the die cut pack. Got a couple of other, there's a washi sticker there with the little gold dots, and then another little pattern paper circle that I'm putting on the edge there. Now the title will go underneath my photo, just like that. And I'm pretty happy with how that's looking at the moment, so I'm going to go ahead and stick down those 3 main circles, and I'm planning on doing some really messy stitching on the center of each of those circles. So I'll just stick them down with a bit of tape runner on the back first. It doesn't need a lot because the stitching will definitely hold them into place. So just getting those stuck down. I won't stick the photo down just yet until I've done all that stitching. I was going to put that little sticker on the side there, but then I realised I'm about to stitch a border around that white cardstock, so I'm leaving that off till a little bit later. So I'll grab my sewing machine out and do that. And there you go, lots and lots of messy stitching on the centre of those circles, giving lots of nice texture to the page. So now my photo and the other little bits and pieces can go onto the page. So I've got the photo just there, and then I can add that die cut as well. Alright, so now I can play around with those other bits. That little circle can go on now that the stitching's done. I've got another little pink circle on the right hand side. That was one of the other pattern papers in the Henley kit. I've got that die cut and the washi sticker to go on, and I'm going to pop these off the page with some foam dots just to add a little bit of dimension. And because I had the backing still on that washi sticker, I'm able to just put a little pop dot on the back, and that'll sit up nicely off the page. Now I've got that little speech bubble washi sticker as well. I could have just stuck that down, but I've chosen to leave the backing on there because it just gave that a little bit more solid pink. So I'm literally just going to put a bit of tape runner on the back and stick it down in that spot. Okay. So I've got the title to go under there now, so I'll carefully peel the backing off of that beautiful puffy sticker, trying not to tear it. So that goes under there, and then I've got those beautiful gold foil puffy alphabets to go on as well with Madison's name. So I'll stick those down. I won't make you watch me do all of that, but I'm not trying to get them really straight. I'm just sort of sticking them on a little bit higgledy-piggledy, and I'm not too worried about it. So that's now done, and I'm moving on to my journaling strips. So I decided to put these in the top left-hand corner just to help balance out the design, because my little photo cluster is in that bottom right corner. It just really helps to balance that design out. So they're stuck down now. I've just found another little circle I can add on here, so just finding a good spot for that. Okay, and now I've got those beautiful brushed gold sequins, so I'm just scattering those throughout the design, going across the page. And I use a bit of liquid glue to stick these down. I had trouble with, I think, one of the larger ones, which I just used a glue dot behind, and then that was fine. It stuck on really nicely. So I've added some stitching to the journaling strips, and I've got a little gold heart paper clip in that top left-hand corner. And now I'm going to do some stamping. So I've got the word yay from the Hooray stamp set. I'm using the word today from the Zoe stamp set. And then I've got a happy day stamp from the Willow stamp set. And you should be able to find all of those stamp sets in the Felicity Jane store if you like them. Alright, so I'm going to do a little test stamp first and then start adding these to the page. So the first one I'm doing is the word today, and I'm going to put that right at the top left of my journaling strips there. Just stamp that a couple of times. Then happy day I'm going to put just below my journaling. Okay, and then I've got the word yay, which I'm going to stamp multiple times down in that bottom right hand corner. And then I can add my date stamp. This page, the photo, is from the day that Madison finally went to go and see a show, one of her favourite YouTubers, Dan TDM. If any of you have got kids and love Minecraft, you probably heard his name. She was so excited this day to finally go to this show, and she had an absolute ball. Really enjoyed it. So, of course, I had to get that down onto a page. Alright, I'm almost done with this page now, so I just decided it needed a little bit more colour in that top left-hand corner, so I've cut one of the label die cuts out of the kit in half, and I'm just tucking that under the edge of that white cardstock. Okay, so I'm just roughing up those edges a little bit more, and then this page is done. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing how this page has come together today. It was fun to do a design with circles. I haven't done that for a long time. If you've got any questions, please put those down below, and I'll pop a link to Felicity Jane down below for you as well. So thank you again for joining me today. I'll be back again really soon with more to share. Bye for now.